Well, now to a story you'll see first on CNN. A judge has just ordered Trump attorney Evan Corcoran to provide additional testimony as part of an investigation into the former president's handling of classified documents.
I'd say things are going pretty poorly for you if your attorneys are being compelled to testify before a grand jury. Welcome into TYT's Overruled. I'm your legal analyst, Adrienne Lawrence. In a big ruling today, a federal judge directed Donald Trump's top defense attorney, Evan Corcoran, to testify before a grand jury about the handling or mishandling of the classified documents in the former president's possession. If you recall, Corcoran's the attorney who wrote that statement back in June, claiming that Trump's team had done a diligent search of Mar-a-Lago and that there were no more classified documents, only for the FBI in August to find hundreds of government records, including classified materials. This per CNN. Corcoran has the potential to become one of the most crucial witnesses in special counsel Jack Smith's criminal investigation into possible mishandling of classified records after the Trump presidency and obstruction of justice. Although today's order was filed under seal, sources told CNN that Attorney Corcoran is being compelled to testify because this situation meets the crime fraud exception to attorney-client privilege. Basically, attorney-client communications, as you all know, are privileged and people can't access them. But if the attorney is helping the client commit a crime, that privilege goes away and the shields must come down. Now, based on the government's arguments here, that appears to be the situation with Attorney Corcoran. That's at least according to the District Court Judge Beryl Howell. And this isn't Corcoran's first time testifying against his client, Donald Trump. Corcoran, an attorney-turned-witness, had previously testified to the grand jury but declined to answer some questions, citing attorney-client privilege. The department argued to the judge he should not be able to avoid answering because his discussions with the former president may have been part of an attempt to plan a crime. This is a pretty significant move. As I mentioned once before, if your attorney becomes a witness against you in terms of your criminality, you're in a big, bad situation. But it's not unwarranted in this case. Corcoran was the one who wrote that letter to the feds, claiming there are no more classified documents in Trump's possession, only for the feds to uncover a treasure trove upon searching the property just 2 months later. This attorney is not in a good situation, and he should be looking to save himself because, if he hasn't noticed, Trump goes through attorneys like he went through wives. Corcoran cannot act like he had no idea whatsoever that Donald Trump does not care about his attorneys and will throw you under the bus, if not cost you your license. It really I am mystified by how many attorneys continue to cuddle up to Trump despite the fact that he has killed so many careers in the legal industry, and he keeps doing it. Yet he keeps getting attorneys at the same time. Now, of course, this testimony before the grand jury will be something that we cannot access because grand jury communications are held behind closed doors, but there could be a leak, so we find out what Corcoran says. But I would not be surprised if Corcoran gets before this grand jury and pleads the fifth, because if he was helping plan a crime, my God, that would make him an accomplice. And so why practice law when you can be convicted of aiding and abetting having government secrets? I guess we'll figure this out. But in the meantime, good luck to Corcoran. And I'd love to know your thoughts about how you think this is going to shake out. Please let me know in the comments below. Hit that like and follow button, and thanks for watching.